All right, so a survey found that over 80% of drivers admitted to blatantly hazardous behaviors while driving, including shaving, changing their clothes, and driving with their feet. Now, distracted driving especially affects teenagers, accounting for over 58% of their crashes. Last year, distracted driving cost the U.S. $129 billion, as well as claimed over 4,600 lives. Now, what this means is if you are the parent of a teenager and your teenager drives distracted, one of two things are likely to happen. Either your insurance premiums will start to look like this, and this is real data, or you will get a phone call saying that this happened. Go back. That this happened and that your child was inside. Now, my solution is this. It's an eye tracking device that will detect whether someone is driving distracted and collect that data. It could detect not only texting, but literally anything that takes a driver's eyes off the road, including possibly drunk driving or drowsy driving. Now this device, it could be sold to insurance companies to provide to their clients in exchange for a discounted premium, or it could be sold to parents to help them monitor and train their teenager in avoiding distracted driving while they learn how to drive. Thank you.